A lot of people call me and they ask me, Mark, I have this dispute with this other person or with this company, and basically I want you to represent me. And I go, wow, that's really great. How much is at stake? That's usually the first question. And they tell me it's some sum between $0 and $10,000. And when I hear that, I always have to raise the question of, wouldn't it be better to try to resolve that in small claims court? And you'd be surprised how many people are surprised, right, when I say that. Because they think, wow, I could actually go to a court and I don't need a lawyer, and the other side is not going to have a lawyer, and we could actually have a dispute resolved by a judge. Yes, that's very common in the state of California. Almost every county has one. And here's the great thing, is that it's very, very easy to go through the process. Almost every county has a very nice website that will take you to their small claims section, and they will walk you through the entire process. And it's really great because it's simple, it's pretty fast, and it's pretty efficient because at some point you're standing there with the opposing party in front of a judge. You present your evidence, they present their evidence, the judge makes a decision, and then for all intents and purposes, it's pretty much done. There's a right of appeal, but most people don't bother with the appeal because essentially they just wanted to settle the dispute. Now, an important thing about small claims court is that essentially you have to ask for money. Right? You can't go in there and have somebody declared a bad person. That's not going to work. So make sure you have some monetary damages that you'll be claiming, and then if you have a dispute and you want to go down there and have it decided by a judge, then by all means go there. The other important thing is that when you go to small claims court, almost every small claims court has a mediator that basically approaches both parties and asks them to try to settle the dispute before you go in front of the judge. And you see, that's another opportunity to settle the matter before somebody wins and somebody loses. So before you're running off to hire an attorney who's going to charge you thousands of dollars to have a dispute settled, right, you might want to consider small claims court because it really is the people's court. It's just you and the other side, no attorneys, goes down, stands in front of a judge, and has you have the dispute resolved. And I think that's a really good way to deal with a lot of disputes because hiring guys like me who charge a lot of money, that's not always necessary. And small claims court can help you get what you need to achieve or what you want to achieve at a very, very low cost and in a very reasonable amount of time. So consider that before you run off and hire an attorney, and consider that before you basically invest a lot of money in litigation expense, which could be completely unnecessary.